Here we have rubbing compound, T-cut, and some dire Straits. Nearly midnight. Well, it's after midnight actually, it's probably 1:45. Polishing an exhaust. That one's just got some T-cut sitting on it. So is that. And this one I'm polishing up. Nothing more satisfying, you know. You can do this with a machine, but my goodness, why would you want to? Beautiful, isn't it? This is my summer exhaust, because it doesn't run very well, the bike in the winter with this silencer on it. It runs too rich, so it just chokes the plugs up. I'm just going to sit here and work away at this. This end needs a bit of a rub. She's coming up nice though. Something very satisfying about polishing, keeping things clean. Right, let's carry on a little bit. So I think it'll polish up better when it's actually on the bike, because I keep handling it and I can't really get any force behind it. So, but it's looking good. Really pleased how it's come out. I won't get into all these wee bits. I've tried a little bit, and you can see if I back off in these wee corners and stuff, I want to get all that polished and clean looking. There's a wee scratch there, that's where I hit my gate. There's a couple of young guys, 3 or 4 young guys walking across my drive, and they didn't move, they didn't stop, so I had to swerve to. I thought they would have stopped walking as I was trying to get into my drive, but they didn't, they just carried on. So I had to swerve a little bit to avoid them when I hit my gate. It's alright, just clipped it. Alright. Just one of the wee war wounds. It's looking good. Now just a bit of hot soapy water to wash it all, then I used a bit of 2000 wet and dry with WD-40 just to get all the tar spots off, and then I used a bit of rubbing compound, rubbed it in and just left it sitting for a wee while to all parts, and then just buffed it out, did it again, buffed it out, did it again, buffed it out. Then I got the silver polish, not silver polish, T-cut, the metal polish. I could have used Autosol, but it's the same difference. Yeah, once I get it on the bike I can get some weight behind it. Not that it matters, it's good enough as it is. But I can't run this in the winter, it's not working, it's running too rich. Got the baffle in there, I'll probably move it up to show you the baffle, so if I can stand it up. You can see how black the exhaust is. I can't get any heat in the engine. The baffle's all black. I can get down in there. And you can see all the carbon on it, can't you? So it's choking the plugs up, so I put the standard tune back on, and this Daytona of mine, and I've put the standard silencer back on. Handy having it for the winter actually. But I'll be able to get in all this and get it all nicely polished up. This has been off this end cap, because there's dings here where he's battered it back in with a rubber mallet. Telltale signs, I've seen it before. Plus bits of rubber are coming out of these bits. This joint's okay. This one is just not factory tight. So somebody's had this in bits. Maybe, I don't know why, but taking some adding or taking out. But it feels lovely. It feels really nice. It's a satisfying job, that. Right. And that'll do me. It's a worthwhile little job, that, just to get it nice and clean, ready for the spring.